In this video, we are going to see that if you come across DirectX error and it says that DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error, check for the README for possible solutions. Just click OK out of here and we are going to see a couple of solutions that might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, what we'll do is just open up the device manager. Right here, device manager, open this up. And once we have this open, just click on the display adapters. And just right click on any display driver that is mentioned here. That is basically the computer or PC is using. Just right click here, click on update driver, click on browse my computer for drivers and choose let me pick from a list of available drivers. Here it will show you the couple of drivers, but it will automatically highlight whatever is preferred according to the Windows update. Click on next and that might flicker a little bit because it is refreshing the driver or updating the driver, and it says Windows has successfully updated the driver. Close out of here, and after that just go to the start menu and right here DX DIAG. Make sure that you see this run command option with an X sign for DirectX. Click on run. In fact, what we can do is just right click this, run as administrator, click yes, and on the left hand side it will load for a little bit, so just wait for it to complete and just click on next page and next page, and once you're on the last page click on exit, and then hopefully that unrecoverable error issue in DirectX should be resolved. You might need to restart your computer afterwards. So just guys, comment down below if that works for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.